We are Create Humboldt, a creative education project serving select schools in Humboldt County, California. In this video, we're going to explore diptychs using the medium of oil pastels. A diptych is two images presented next to each other. Often the intent is the ideas presented can be compared with each other. Sometimes these images are separate panels, like this religious painting, or this contemporary painting. The Greek prefix di means two. If we change the prefix to tri, meaning three, like triangle or tricycle, we get the word triptych, which would be three images presented side by side, like this work. So for our diptych, what two ideas do we want to communicate? It could be two characters in a story, or two versions of the same thing, like this octopus. Lots of ideas come in twos. For this project, I'm thinking of the ancient chemical elements, water and fire. I think that will be my diptych. Yours could be different, or you might follow along with water and fire just to learn about using oil pastels. I'm going to use a symbol for water and a different symbol for fire. My symbol could be obvious if I want to easily communicate my ideas to a lot of people, or it can be a more private symbol if I don't want my ideas to be easily deciphered or figured out. I went through many versions of each symbol before deciding that I want to use these two. A light pencil sketch will not show up in the final artwork, so draw as much as you like, it will all get covered. Press lightly with your pencil, as deep dents in the paper might get visible. I'm using colored construction paper for this project, but plain white paper would work too. I could use the same colors both for water and for fire, or I could use different colors. Would it be interesting to use warm colors for water and cool colors for fire? That might make people think. For the purpose of this video, I'll keep the colors more predictable. Warm colors for fire, cool colors for water. As you choose each color, for example, what color for the water symbol, be aware of the full color spectrum. Many people immediately choose blue for water, but water is rarely blue. It's often gray, turquoise, orange at sunset, or probably whatever color you want. I think I'll use a lot of green in my water to represent how water is essential for life. Objects lit by the sun are often lighter value on the top and a darker value on the bottom. I'm going to use that idea as I color my symbols. If you want to blend two colors, usually the lighter pastel works best as a blender stick. You can also blend the colors together with a piece of paper towel or tissue. Some artists use their fingers, but that can get messy. I like to keep my hands clean. Enjoy the process of choosing colors and blending them together to make new colors. Take your time. Notice how pastels work. What can you do with them? The purpose of every piece of art is to prepare you for your next piece of art. As you finish this one, what does it make you think of next? You know, if you did this exact same project again, it wouldn't turn out the same. You'd make different choices along the way, and often the third or fourth version of an idea is better than the first attempts. Many artists work like this, in series, where they explore the same idea over and over, just like a writer makes several drafts of their writing. Some artists find it useful to have conversations with others to help them develop their ideas. As you're working, I invite you to be open to different ideas that you'd like to explore. What will you create?